Hello everyone, I am Pavan Kumar. I think most of you know me through my LinkedIn posts. I do keep posting on resources based on data science. So I was getting a lot of requests from many people to start a YouTube channel since I do keep sharing resources on data science. So soon I'll be starting a YouTube channel where I will be sharing the tips on how to enter data science. It will be based on career guidance tips and how to improve skills and how to enter into data science. I'm completely new to uh, YouTube, so kindly correct me wherever I go wrong and kindly suggest me what kind of videos you like, what kind of content you like to be presented. So that's all for today, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.